Hey, have you ever wanted to make Disneyland popcorn or movie theater popcorn at your home, but only better? This video is for you. Now, I get nostalgic about eating Disneyland popcorn and how great it tastes while walking down Main Street. Now, I have been perfecting this recipe over the years. I've reached the best of the best popcorn, or should I say the best popcorn I can make at home.
Well, ambience has a lot to do with the taste buds and how well they work. Eating popcorn in Disneyland or even a movie theater plays off the excitement of what's to come.
I will show you the best way to make popcorn just like they do, so you can enjoy it at home. You know, maybe while watching your favorite movie or some of our videos here at the Park Tales.
Don't worry, we will have all the links to everything in the description below. Okay, let's get poppin'. We get it like hoppin', but poppin'.
Okay, going over a few things you're going to need, such as popcorn itself. Now, I have found that you don't need to spend the money for the most expensive popcorn, but yet get a quality popcorn.
We have found Country Harvest to be very good popcorn for less. But we purchase it in the really big bags and divide it up in those food saver bags to keep it fresh much longer, like this. Now you're going to need oil to pop it in, and that's a colored coconut oil. And again, we buy the bigger containers for this too because it lasts for a long time. Well, sort of.
Now the color part of the oil is actually beta carotene, you know, like in carrots.
Carrots. Next is a seasoning called Flavor Call. This is specific to the recipe for making great popcorn. And what you cook it in does make a difference. That's why we use this whirligig pop pan. It's an aluminum pan with a special lid that has a crank handle that turns the bottom section to keep the popcorn moving while it's cooking. We've had this one for years and it just keeps going.
Okay, you can also use a butter flavored topping, kind of like this one.
Butter flavored oil is better because using actual butter or butter type toppings have water or moisture, which makes a soggy popcorn.
I don't like soggy popcorn. Nobody does. But that's what they use actually in movie theaters also, is the oil type, because it does make your popcorn soggy. So, and it's not good that way.
Okay, let's get to making this. But first, if you're not subscribed, this would be a good time to do so. Just click the subscribe button below, and if you like our videos, click the thumbs up button. It makes a big difference to us, and it doesn't cost anything but a second of your time.
That's true. And we thank all of you for doing that. I can't tell you how much we thank you for it. Thank you. Okay, what I like to do is I like to get the coconut oil in the pan first, and it's a little warm out right now, and that's why it's, you know,
melted.
It usually is a paste, so you gotta put it in there, let it melt down, but that's when cooler temperatures are out. Now be sure to set your heat setting on medium high. So let's do that. First, you want to go ahead and put 2 tablespoons of the oil in. Okay, next, once that is melted, you want to go ahead, as we use our own containers because we use this stuff so much. Okay, I go with 1 teaspoon. You just want to kind of get it like that, and then you want to go ahead and put it inside. So once you get it in there, it stirs to combine. Okay, and finally you want to add 1/4 cup. Now this is a 1/2 cup, 1/4 cup mix. You'll see right here is a 1/4 cup. So what you want to go ahead and do is take that, put it in. And get it all nice and coated. There we go. Now you can hear it popping. Once it starts popping, gradually stir the corn until the magical popping sound is gone, and remove it from the heat. You don't want to burn those little bits of yumminess. Popping and we're popping. Oop, yep, come on. See, with this, it doesn't take long. Carefully pour into your favorite serving bowl or container, remembering that it is hot. Now taste the popcorn and add more seasoning salt of desire, and shake it up to mix everything. Add the butter flavored oil if you like it and enjoy. They also have other flavors in this mix pack. If you like caramel corn. Now this is really good, along with the glazed popcorn that isn't bad either. Now it cooks pretty much the same way as it's shown, but you'll need to add a little more caramel or glaze. Now just read the directions on the carton for those. Now we have tested the Disneyland popcorn, movie theater, and our homemade, and cannot taste the difference between them. And I thought we'd share that with you and our peeps, you know. Everyone here loves this popcorn, even Gus the Wonder Dog. He's a big fan.
Never misses a piece.
Once.
Once, yeah. We hope you enjoyed the video and want to give it a try at home. Let us know in the comments how it went. Thanks for being here and keep smiling.
Mouth is full.
Yep. You'll see us on the next one.